Every bridge on Earth, every span, every arch, at the same second. What's left of a world that spent 5,000 years learning to cross what it couldn't walk across?
There are roughly 2 million bridges on Earth carrying regular traffic. Golden Gate, Tower, Verrazzano, Millau, Øresund, Confederation, Sydney Harbour. And the 2 million smaller ones you drive across every day without ever remembering their names. In London, Tower Bridge, the one every child on Earth has drawn at least once, begins to soften. The bascule sections sag. The Victorian steel that held for 130 years finally decides it has held long enough. By the third minute, urban search and rescue teams are already on the broken section, reaching commuters trapped in vehicles on a bridge deck that no longer knows what direction up is supposed to be. 50 million American families spent the last 5 minutes discovering the same thing, that the fastest route to Grandma's house, the one they've driven 100 times, no longer exists. Somewhere in a Swiss alpine village, an elderly shepherd crosses a small wooden footbridge, as he has done every morning for 60 years. In his pocket, a hand-cranked radio hisses with news of a world that just discovered which bridges actually mattered. Every helicopter on Earth is now the emergency infrastructure. Medivac, cargo, supply, from the roof of every hospital, from the deck of every parking garage, from every field beside every collapsed span. By hour 4, no city with a river running through it has full function. Sydney's harbour is quiet in a way it hasn't been in 90 years. And the human beings on one side of it are looking at the human beings on the other side, wondering how to get back. By dawn, the dust has settled. The engineers arrive with their notebooks. Some spans can be rebuilt, some cannot. And every human being on Earth has spent one day learning what a bridge really was, before it was gone.
Now, this isn't a forecast. It's a thought experiment. But every bridge you've ever crossed was built by human hands, held up by human calculation, and depended on faith in what the people before us called good enough. Faith like that, nothing owes it forever.
Up next, on JD-OmniTale. This time, for one perfect night, Earth wore a crown of ice, a ring borrowed from Saturn itself.